Welcome to another edition of Research Connection. Joining me today is Dr. Dustin Wcisel. Thanks for joining me, Dr. Wcisel.
Thanks for talking with me.
Yeah. So tell us a little bit about yourself.
So I've been working with Dr. Jeff Yoder for a while now, and I actually did my PhD with him, and we recently just got a grant, and that's keeping me on to do a postdoc with him.
Neat. And what does the Yoder lab focus on?
We use zebrafish to model human diseases, and specifically we're looking at these innate immune receptors and all these novelties that fish might have like humans would.
And so what is the grant focused on? Or who is it through first?
So the grant, it's a National Science Foundation grant. It's 3 years, and it's a collaborative project with Dr. Yoder's lab and Dr. Alex Norberg at the North Carolina Science Museum. And it's to study the diversification of these innate immune receptors in fish species specifically. So we're branching out from just the zebrafish model now to try to make these other connections.
Okay. And so what's the goal or the hope with the grant?
Well, some of the products are, we're doing genome sequencing of 2 novel species. So we're going to do long-nosed gar and bowfin. Or sorry, actually, bowfin's not it. It's long-nosed gar and bashir. And these are evolutionary more ancient species than what zebrafish would be, which makes them cool because they haven't undergone this whole genome duplication that all 30,000 other fish species have. And so that's going to make identifying these orthologous genes between zebrafish and humans, we can now use these intermediate species as a bridge point between them. So we're hoping to still look at zebrafish, but look at these other 2, gar and bashir, and make connections to humans, and hopefully tell us something about the immune system of all 3 things.
So the connection is the immune system.
Yep.
Interesting. And then, so with the Museum of Science?
Yeah. So Alex Norberg, he's the curator of ichthyology at the Science Museum. So he studies lots and lots of different fish, right? But he's an expert in phylogenies, and so he's going to help us discern the evolutionary histories of these different fish species. And then some of the cool things about being connected with the Science Museum are all the outreach possibilities with this. So the grant has a lot of funds to come up with these cool exhibits that hopefully we'll see in the next couple of years at the Science Museum.
That's pretty neat.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have a favorite kind of fish?
Do I have a favorite kind of fish? I spend my weekends fishing, so
Okay.
yeah. It's any kind.
Anyone you catch.
Yeah. Anything willing to bite.
Well, great. Well, thanks for joining, and thanks for sharing the research.
Yeah.
And best of luck.
Thank you.